Road connectivity between Silchar and Dima Hasao has been severely disrupted due to heavy rainfall affecting transportation and daily commutes. In response, the Assam cabinet has taken a significant decision to initiate immediate repair work and ensure the timely completion of the East-West Corridor project by January 2026. Acting on this decision, Assam Minister Kaushik Rai visited Dima Hasao today and held a crucial review meeting with Hill District Council Chief Executive Member CEM Debolal Garlusa, the District Commissioner and senior officials from the National Highways Authority of India, Public Works Department and other concerned departments. Following the meeting, Minister Kaushik Rai along with CEM Debolal Garlusa and other officials inspected the affected road stretches to assess the ongoing repair and construction activities. He informed that the meeting was convened under the direction of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to ensure smooth vehicular movement in the coming days. The Minister also instructed departments to maintain the roads for the next 2 to 3 days until full-scale repair works begin to avoid further disruptions. He also reaffirmed the government's commitment to completing the East-West Corridor project by January 2026. This project will immensely benefit the people of Barak Valley and also improve connectivity for neighbouring states like Mizoram and Manipur to Guwahati, the minister added. The East-West Corridor is expected to be a vital infrastructure project enhancing regional connectivity and boosting economic activity across the state and beyond.
যে বাৰিষা আমাৰ এক্সিস্টিং যি ৰুটটো আছে ছাটিংগা টু হাৰাংগা যাও যাতে আমি অলপ মেইনটেইন কৰি বাৰিষাটো যাতে আমি পাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ এই কাৰণে আমি আজি বহিছিলোঁ অহা 1-2 দিনৰ ভিতৰতে কাম আৰম্ভ হ'ব যাতে মেইনটেনেন্সৰ কামবোৰ যিটো আছে মেইনটেনেন্সৰ কামবোৰ আমি কৰি ৰাস্তাটো স্মুথ ৰাখিব পাৰোঁ তো নিৰিম বাংলৰ পৰা ঝাটিংগালৈ এতিয়ালৈ অলমোষ্ট কমপ্লিট হৈছে আৰু ঝাটিংগাৰ পৰা যিটো আছে আমাৰ হাৰাংগা যালৈকে এই ৰাস্তাটো আমি আজি পৰিদৰ্শন কৰিছোঁ আৰু তেওঁলোকে আগত যেনেকৈ কমিটমেণ্ট আছে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া বাৰবাৰ কৈছে যে জানুৱাৰী 2026-ৰ ভিতৰত এই যে ইষ্ট ৱেষ্ট কৰিডৰ আমাৰ যে ঝাটিংগা টু হাৰাংগা যে পাৰ্টটো আছে এইটো কমপ্লিট হ'ব।